Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Catch a Fire Authentic Jamaican Gourmet. I'll be showing you how I make a sweet and hot mango baked chicken using their sweet and hot mango marinade. So I'll be baking two chickens, one cut up in pieces as you can see here in the video, and the other chicken will be baking it whole, and I'm going to stuff it with some potatoes. For our whole chicken, you want to make sure that you thoroughly clean the inside of the chicken. Next step, we're going to wash our chickens with some vinegar and water. So after washing with vinegar and water, I always wash my meat again with plain water after. As you can see in the picture, these are some of the seasonings that I'll be using today. Now we're going to wash and mince our garlic. Next, we're going to wash our pimento seeds and our thyme. We're going to wash and mince our scotch bonnet peppers. Now we are going to wash and mince our scallion. Now we're going to peel and chop our onion. Now we're going to wash and slice our bell peppers. Next, I'm going to go ahead and scrape the skin from the ginger and wash it before chopping. As you can see here in the picture, these are some of the seasoning that I'll be using from Catch a Fire: the sweet and hot mango marinade, the blackening seasoning, and also their complete blend. Now I'm just gonna clean the sink so I can wash my potatoes. I will be using around 8 potatoes to stuff the chicken. So I'm just going to season the potatoes with some thyme and some complete blend. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.